In this video, I'm going to reveal two different ways that you can promote your affiliate links on Quora. I'm going to show you the fast way and the slow way. Both ways will work if you follow these steps. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Now, as you know, Quora is a website that you can go to simply answer and ask questions. People from around the world are asking very basic questions. And as a marketer, as an affiliate marketer, you can actually use this opportunity to answer those questions. So I want to show you on my screen here, my Quora stats. Now, I want to point out a few things here. As you can see, I've had over 82,000 views on my content, over 680 upvotes, 64 comments, and 16 shares. Now, the cool thing with this is I haven't posted on Quora in over, I would say, close to 2 years, and I'm still getting views every single month. I'm still getting people upvoting my comments, and I'm still getting comments and stuff as well. And so the cool thing with Quora is that the content is semi-evergreen. And it's a great place to start if you have very limited funds. You will need a couple dollars for this to work properly, but if you have limited funds, it's a great place to get traffic. Now, here are the two different ways that you can promote your affiliate links and start affiliate marketing with Quora. Now, the fast way, the absolute fastest way to start getting traffic is to use a paid keyword research tool called Ahrefs. Now, I'm going to show you a way that doesn't require you to spend any money with Ahrefs, but I want to show you this way first because, like I said, it's absolutely fast. What we're going to do is we're going to go to Site Explorer just like this, and we are going to type in Quora.com. Hit enter. And what we're looking for now is a word of warning. Some of this stuff is not going to be safe for work. Some of this stuff, people are asking crazy questions over on Quora. So just know that going into it. We're going to click on organic keywords. They rank for 52 million keywords. And what we want to do is we want to sift through that, and we want to piggyback off of what works or what's going to get us the best opportunity. So, all right. So now that I've filtered as best as I can, what we're going to do is we want our content to show up at the very top of search results, because one of the cool things with Quora is the answers, the questions and answers will actually appear in Google. If we take a look at the top one, Quora obviously ranks for the top. Some of these are going to be not safe for work. What we want to do is we want to change the position so that we only rank on the first page of Google. Studies show that the further down you are on Google, the less chances your answers or your content is going to be seen. So we're going to change this that we want to only show up in the top 5 search results. So we're going to click that. We're going to click apply, click show results. And then this should show us all of the answers that show up on the top 5 of Quora. And then we can actually verify that by copying the keyword. Now, some of these, again, are not safe for work. And I do apologize for that. Quora can be a crazy place if you let it. So what we can do is we can sift through here and we can pick them out. But then we can also do one other feature, and we can add in our keyword. So if, let's say, we wanted to rank for affiliate marketing. So what's going to happen, we're only going to see results that show up on the first page of Google. And so how much can I make from affiliate marketing in India, Yelp affiliate marketing, how to start affiliate marketing with no money. So if we copy this, in theory, this should show up in the top 5 results. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to open this up in an incognito window like this. And then I'm going to paste in like that. So in theory, we should show up in the top 5. Do we do it? It really, sometimes it does depend on Google, but let's see. This did not appear in the top 5. We can go back over to Ahrefs and we can find one that shows up in the top 5. So again, this will take you far less time to do it this way than it will to do the way that I'm going to show you in just a moment. So we could do something like Leads Guru Affiliate Marketing. It gets over 1,000 searches per month. It says once again that it ranks in the top 5, and we can try and verify that with 1 second here. We're going to paste this in, hit enter. These are all ads at the top. Let's see, Facebook, Quora, right there. So yes, this is exactly what we want to see. And when we open this up, we can see all of the questions and answers. Now, you want to make sure that you are finding ones that are relevant for your niche. You can do this, for example, let's go up here and change this to, web hosting like this, web hosting, hit enter, and then show results. We want to change this to United States too, just like that. And again, we're only going to see results that show up in the top 5 in search results. Google Cloud Web Hosting price, Amazon web hosting costs, Google web hosting. So what we could do is we could actually answer questions with regard to AWS, and then if it's too expensive, point them to something else. Worst web hosting, we could put together a list of the worst web hosting. Web server versus web hosting. So according to this one, it gets about 30 searches per month, and it ranks in the 3rd space. So we can copy this once again and paste this right over into Google just to verify. I did it again, just to verify that this is correct. And so what we're going to do, hit enter, and let's see right there, Quora. What is the difference between a web server and a web host? Now that we have found them, we're simply going to go through and answer the questions. Now, you want to answer the questions like you're answering a blog post. You are going to do what I like to do when I answer blog posts is who, what, when, where, why, and how. So if we're comparing web server versus web hosting, I'm going to say what is a web server? How to use a web server, who needs it, who does it. And then at the very end, we're going to say that web hosting is better in these situations. It can be long. I guarantee you that a question like this is going to be pretty long, but it could be worth it for you in the very beginning. What the next step you should do is you should go out and build a landing page. Now you can build a landing page for free using GetResponse. A landing page is going to be designed to get your target audience to click a button. Okay. Now, what I recommend that you do is I recommend that you start email marketing. You can start email marketing for free, as you can see with GetResponse. And what you can do in this situation is you can offer someone a lead magnet or something for free in exchange for their email address. If you are doing this with affiliate marketing, for example, you can offer them a free cheat sheet, checklist, or guide. You're going to collect their email and then you can market to them. If you don't want to do email marketing, you can still use GetResponse or something for free, and you can create a button. Now, the reason why you have to do it this way is you cannot put affiliate links directly on Quora. If you do that, you'll get banned. So let me just draw this out for you so you can see exactly what I'm talking about here. All right, so what we're going to do is on the left-hand side, we are going to get traffic from Quora. So we're just going to put a giant Q there, and then from Quora, we want to send them to a landing page. The reason why you want to send them to a landing page, as I mentioned, is Quora does not allow affiliate links. If you put affiliate links in your blog post or in your answers, you are going to get banned. So what we can do here is we can, have a headline and then a sub headline if we're doing email marketing. If we're doing email marketing, we're going to collect their name, their email address, and then their phone number. Okay. If we're not doing email marketing, so I'm just going to go up a little bit. If we're not doing email marketing, but I recommend that you should, we're just going to have a headline, a sub headline, and then a button. This button is going to be an affiliate link. Okay. The affiliate link is going to take them to Bluehost. It's going to take them to whatever affiliate program that you're recommending. So if we're doing web hosting here, you're going to want to go to bluehost.com/affiliates, and then you can sign up to become an affiliate. But this works for literally any niche. In fact, I earned my first $125 as an affiliate marketer on Quora, but I was doing it the wrong way. So the step-by-step process is you go over to Ahrefs. Again, it is a paid keyword research tool. Click on Site Explorer, type in Quora.com, and then type in your keyword here. Mine is web hosting. Change the position to 5 or less. Come through, cherry pick the good ones, answer the questions, and then you are going to send them either from Quora directly to a landing page like this to collect their email address, or you're going to send them to a bridge page that has the affiliate link. Okay, both ways will work. So that's the fast way. The slow way is you're basically going to do the same steps without using Ahrefs. You're going to come up to the search bar and you're going to type in web hosting. Now, the reason why this is the slow way is because you're going to answer questions that may not get a lot of traffic. Okay, and so this way you're going to type in your niche, web hosting, click on questions, and then we are going to sort by most recent. So we're going to look at the past week, and we're just going to go through and we're going to answer as many questions as we can. You can see that's exactly what some people are doing. And if we look at this answer, for example, a lot of these guys are doing this exact process. So if we look, I suggest look at Fast Connect here. Let's see if it looks like he might be linking directly out, which is a surprise because when I did this, yep, you can see he's actually linking directly to Fast Connect. Again, when I did this, I almost got banned. But if we look through here, the best web hosting for beginners, now this guy's probably doing it the right way because he's done a blog post, a YouTube video, or simply a landing page. Look at this. So he has put together a short little blog post, not very long, talking about the best web hosting for beginners. You can see he put in Bluehost, and if we hover over Bluehost here, there's an affiliate link. If we scroll down a little bit, I don't see anymore, so it looks like he is just an affiliate for Bluehost, and he's using regular HTML. He's probably using a free website builder. What we can do is we can actually copy this, go over to Ahrefs, and we can take a look and see how many page views he's getting, and that can give us an idea of how well he's doing. So if we take a look, all right, so it doesn't look like he's getting a ton of traffic, and he's doing this. So this isn't an indicator of how well he's doing, but it doesn't look like he's getting a ton of organic traffic. Most of his traffic is coming from Ahrefs. So you could do that exact same thing. He's doing the model that I showed you where he's creating content on Quora, and then he has this method here. I think that this method down here is a better method. So what you're going to do, if you decide to go this route, you're going to go through, sift, find ones, and then you're going to answer probably 3 or 4 questions per day. Now, the reason why you want to answer 3 or 4 questions is you want to give yourself the best chance for success. Now that you know the 2 different ways that you can make money as an affiliate on Quora, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free. Now that you know how to promote your affiliate links on Quora, go to alstongodbolt.com/start for a free training that shows you step by step how you can earn a full-time income online with affiliate marketing without a huge following on social media, without using paid ads or having a large mailing list. Go to alstongodbolt.com/start to learn more. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.